So dear student, everyone see this question, how to solve this question. So everyone read the question once. A proton has a kinetic energy E equal to 100 electrode, which is equal to that of photon. In this question, one proton is there, another one is photon is there. The wavelength of photon is lambda 2 and that of proton is lambda 1. He is asking the ratio of lambda 2 by lambda 1 is proportional to E square. Option B is e power 1 by 2, C is e power minus 1, D is e power minus 1 by 2. So IIT 2004 question this one, and please try to we will try to solve this question. So now is what are the given quantities, and we'll use and we'll try to solve it. Now listen here. So first thing he's saying about a proton. There is a proton and photon. Proton and photon. These two things are there in the question. Okay. Now coming to the proton, energy of the proton is given, which is 100 electrovolt, and this is the energy of photon, which is also equal to energy of proton, which is also 100 electrovolt. That is the information is given that, and is representing the wavelength of proton with a lambda 1, wavelength of photon is lambda 2, and is asking the ratio of that. Okay, now listen. Coming to this here. So wavelength of proton. So proton is a particle which has a kinetic energy EP equal to 1 by 2 mp into vp square, which can be written as p square by 2 mp equal to ep. From here I could write p square equal to 2 mp ep, where the momentum I could get it is 2 mp ep. From this I will try to write in terms of wavelength. So lambda 1 is equal to h by p. I could write h by root of 2 mp ep. Sorry, I could write h by p, which h by root of 2 mp ep. That is what I can write. Similarly, where it comes to the photon has energy E equal to h mu. It doesn't mean that it is not like a photon has a energy 1 by 2 mp vp square again. Okay, it is has energy h mu. Photon is a packet of energy which has energy h into the frequency, which can be written as hc by lambda in terms of wavelength. And in photon, wavelength is represented by lambda 2. I will write here 2. Okay, so from here I could write lambda 2 is equal to hc by e. So doing the both the equation ratio, I will get what he is asking us to find lambda 2 by lambda 1. So please substitute accordingly. So lambda 2 is hc by e, lambda 1 is h by root of 2 mp ep. So h cancel, so which will goes in numerator, c by e into root of 2 mp ep by e. You will get this. So now from here, one second, e is already written here, so no need to write here. So he is asking that lambda 2 by lambda 1 is proportional to energy. What equation, what terms in energy? So if you take in here, c is a constant, 2 mp also constant, I could write here ep whole power 1 by 2 by e, where e is the energy of a photon, ep is the energy of a proton, but both are equal. So I could write that is proportional to ep is equal to 1 by 2 if it takes upside minus 1. So lambda 2 by lambda 1 is proportional to ep power minus 1 by 2, from which means in option, if you come in option D is the correct.